Okay, so we're going to take all the nuts, the guts from that one, and we're going to put it into this one.
Doggy, so here we are, all printed out and pretty. So I'm painting those red just because I felt like it, and that's because I got red spray paint. And then I'm going to leave the rest grey. Although, in second thoughts, I think I'm going to paint these things as well, so they can get like, just like, you know, highlighted. Yeah, just gonna do that. Okay, let's try that again. So, while those are drying, we're gonna carry on this side. Got me some extra stuff to put around the prop guards. These are definitely not ducts. And hopefully it'll just add a little bit more protection. Propellers also a bit softer. I might even try these props at some stage. Wary of the fact that they've got square holes in them. That's pretty weird because my motors are not, they don't have square shafts. So let's take these things and find a hole for them. Okay, let's just take off the propellers. Kind of learning this one back to front, aren't I? Look, I got a new toolkit. Yeah. So, when I first started inquiring about FPV and stuff, I remember a guy, Wayne, he said, no, you must have this tool and this tool and this tool. And I'm like, dude, you're so tooled out, man. I was like so impressed with his setup. And you realize that it's imperative that you have the right tools. Alright, so that goes there, and we need 4 of these things, the middle, like tiny spaces. No, come on, really? There we go. Yes, it fits. There we go. It fits. One thing I wouldn't mind is to get those LEDs that the guys are flying. I think that's pretty cool. Especially if you're going to be flying at night. Who flies at night? Don't fly at night, it's dangerous. Unless of course you're in a controlled environment and you have total control of all the elements around you. This is like crazy tight working like really like, I don't have little fingers, man. Got big feet though. Oh, guys, Nico's here. I forgot I was recording. Is that genius?
How is it?
I actually thought I was still recording it.
Oh no, you're still recording.
Yeah, I'm trying to record the whole putting together thing. Alright, sweet. So let me just dump these in and then I'm done really. I need to mount that, and put that on, and then we're good to go. Oh, this hasn't dried properly. It'll probably be dry by now. Alright guys, so that's it, all done. We're gonna go and fly it now and see what it does. Alright, so there she is, all built up and ready to fly. I haven't got the GoPro mount on her, so we're gonna have to figure that out. Thanks to Nico for helping out there. And let's see how she handles it. Oh, I'm nervous. Alright guys, so first flight was really cool. You'll see it on the PVR. When I landed, somehow a screw came loose and it chipped one of the propellers. What is it? My propellers are freaking covered with guards and I'm still freaking breaking them. What is that? FPV is not all about FPVing. Nico's gonna fly line of sight. Here we go. And at least with FPV, your right and your left are always your right and your left. Okay, so I'm really impressed with this little body. It's working well. It's a lot smoother, a lot lighter than the previous one. I'm going to give it a bash now in acro just to go around once or twice and bring it back again and see what happens. Right guys, so that was about a minute or two in acro. I love this little body, it is so cool, it really is good. Nico did mention that these things do tend to crack when you crash them, so try not to crash them. But other than that, new body, pumped up, like a red underneath. Now we just got to find space on here somewhere for the GoPro or the RUNCAM 5 orange. Sure, I'll find a place somewhere.